In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Elementor WordPress. If you're looking to make your WordPress site stand out with customized pages, Elementor is a fantastic tool to use. It's an intuitive page builder that enables you to create stunning layouts and designs without needing to know any coding. To get started, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on this central hub where you manage your site. Here, you'll be able to access all your pages, posts, and general settings. To begin editing with Elementor, look to the left sidebar of your dashboard. This is your navigation panel, where you'll find different areas of your website. From here, direct your mouse to where it says Pages. A menu will expand, showing you several options. Click on All Pages to display a list of every page you've created on your site. Now, this list can be as short or as extensive as you need, depending on how you've structured your website. Locate the page you're interested in editing. You'll see several pages listed here with various management options next to each one. If you're managing a lot of content, feel free to use the search bar or filters to find the page more quickly. Once you've identified the specific page you want to edit, hover your mouse over its title. As you do so, new options will appear beneath it. One of the key options you'll notice is Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real magic happens as Elementor's powerful editor interface loads up. You'll now find yourself in the Elementor page editor. This workspace is divided into a few key sections. On the right, you'll see a live preview of your page. To the left, there's the Elementor panel. This is where you have all the tools at your disposal, including widgets, settings, and styling options. The drag and drop functionality makes it especially user-friendly. Before diving in, it's worth noting that any changes you make can be instantly previewed on the page. This way, you can adjust your design in real time to achieve the exact look and feel you're going for. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the widgets available. You'll find standard elements like text boxes, images, and buttons, as well as more advanced features like sliders and testimonials. To use a widget, simply drag it from the panel on the left and drop it onto your page on the right. Once placed, click within the widget to edit its content, style, and advanced settings. Remember, this is a creative space, so don't hesitate to explore different layouts and ideas. If you're unsure about a change or want to start fresh, you have the option to undo or redo actions using the history function. Once you're satisfied with your edits, ensure you save your work. You can do this by hitting the green Update button at the bottom of the panel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to edit a page using Elementor on WordPress. With these tools and techniques, you can now go ahead and transform your site, ensuring each page is visually appealing and aligned with your vision.